This is my first oil painting. It's on a 14 by 18 Master Touch canvas, acrylic primed. I'm using Winsor & Newton oils. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but that's what I'm using. I am using a limited palette. I use burnt umber, permanent alizarin crimson, cadmium yellow, French ultramarine blue, and titanium white. While making the underpainting, I used burnt umber reduced with poppy oil, thinned out to almost a watery consistency, and I paint with a 2-inch brush the entire canvas. I go back over with a small filbert brush and I pick out the highlights on the painting. And once it is dry, I will go back in with burnt umber that is a little bit less thinned out, and I'll go ahead and use that for the shadows and dark areas in the painting. Once that is dry to the touch, I will then start with the color. When using oil, I will mix each color and color match it to the original picture. I will alter the colors if it improves the painting. I am not trying to create an exact copy. I'm simply using it as a guide. I then add the moon and background forest to complete the effect. Remember, this portrait is about 90% complete. If you would like to see how I paint certain parts of this painting, please let me know in comments below, and I will add a video with your request. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and the like button.